Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is squares and square roots. So we have already completed up to exercise 6.3. Today we are supposed to start exercise 6.4. In exercise 6.4 the first question is we are supposed to find the square root. In the previous exercise also we have find out the square root, but the method was different there. At that in those questions we are supposed to use the prime factorization method. Here we are supposed to find out the square root by division method, and the question number 1 part first is 2304. So what we have to do, first of all we are supposed to pair them from the right hand side, and afterwards the sign will be like this. And now we are supposed to see the first pair, that is 23. So we are supposed to select any two numbers which we are supposed to multiply, not two numbers, a single number which we are supposed to multiply by that number only, and we will get the number either equals to or less than 23. So 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 2, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. We are supposed to multiply the number by the number itself. So we get 5 into 5, 25. 25 is more than 23. So we will select 4. So 4 we will write here, and 4 we will write here. Here we are supposed to take some space. 4 4 ja 16. Afterwards, as we are supposed to perform in the long division, we are supposed to subtract. Now 13 minus 6, that is 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. Now this 4 we are supposed to write here, and we are supposed to add 4 plus 4, that is 8, and now we are supposed to borrow the pair, that is 0 4. Now we are supposed to multiply, and we are supposed to write the same number here and here. If we are supposed to write here 2, we are supposed to write here 2, and 82 into 2, 8 2 ja 16, that is much more less than that. So we cannot 164 is too much less than 704. So we will not write 2. We can check for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we are supposed to write 8, because at last at the units place we are having 4. So here comes 8 and here comes 8. So 88 multiply by 8, 8 8 is 64, 4 6, 8 is 64, 64 plus 6, that is 70. So we will write here 704, and afterwards we got 0 here, nothing is there. So the square root will be 48. 48 will be the square root of 2304. So we can write here the square root of 2304 will be 48. So like this we are supposed to find the square root of any given number using the division method. At the same time we will take one more part so that you can understand easily the method. And the second part is 4489. So the first thing is we are supposed to pair. We are supposed to start the pairing from the right hand side, and afterwards we are supposed to start the long division method. 5 5 ja 25, then 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 49 will be more than 44, so we will select 6 6 6 ja 36. Afterwards we are supposed to subtract here 14 minus 6, that is 8, and 3 minus 3, that is 0, and this 6 will come here and it will become 12. Now we are supposed to borrow the pair, that is 89, so it becomes 889. So 9 is at the units place. So if 9 is at the units place, here will be here can be 3, because we are supposed to multiply by 3, 3 ja 9 or 7. So we can select 1 2 3 and we are supposed to multiply by 3, that is less than that. So we can move towards our next option, that is 1 2 7, 7 7 ja 49, 9 4, 7 2 ja 14 plus 4 18, 8 1, 7 1 ja 7 plus 1, 889. So here we are supposed to write 7 and here again 7, and we are supposed to multiply. We know the product previously only, 889. So here comes 0. So the square root of 4489 is 67. 67 is the answer for this question. So after that we are supposed to proceed the next question. In the next question we are supposed to find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. That is question number 2, and parts has been given. First part is 64, second part is 144, third part is 4489, and next one is given, that is 27225, and the last one is 390625. So how many digits will be there in the square root of the following numbers without calculating the square root? We are supposed to tell. So we will start the pairing. Pairing will be like that. We are supposed to start the pairing from the right hand side. How many pairs are there? Those many will be the number of digits in the square root of these number. Here the one pair is there, so there will be one digit. Here one pair is there and the second is incomplete, but we can say two pairs are there, so that's why here will be two digits. Again here two digits, here the three digits, and here again three digits will be there in the square root of the given numbers. So I hope that you have understood how to find out the square root of a given number using the division method. So what you have to do, you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have discussed here. At the same time you are supposed to try the remaining part of question number 1, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.